Hello. Some of us having a common doubt about what is COVID. What are the symptoms of COVID? How to prevent us from COVID? What is vaccine and what are the different types of vaccines? And what are the advice to follow in home quarantine? And as we all know, we are suffering from this pandemic situation of COVID-19. In this module, I will briefly explain to all our questions. So, let's begin.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone. I am Vignesh. I am a medical student in University of Perpetual. What is COVID? As we all know, COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a most recently discovered coronavirus, or otherwise called as SARS-CoV-2. And what are the symptoms of COVID? These symptoms include fever, cold, cough, shortness of breathing, diarrhea, lack of taste and smell, and fatigue, sore throat, and nausea or vomiting. Or the major symptoms may appear in 2 to 14 days. How to prevent us from COVID? Wear mask when you are around the people. Maintain social distancing at least 1 to 2 meters. Wash your hand frequently and sanitizing your hands. Restrict your travel. Stay healthy by eating good foods, good vegetables and all. Avoid touching eyes, nose, mouth. And take care of your physical health and mental health. What is vaccine? Vaccine is a thing that stimulates a person's immune system to produce a immunity to a specific disease. There are different types of vaccines. Of these, as per now, we are using Covishield and Covaxin. And major of us having a common doubt about what are the differences between Covaxin and Covishield. Let us be know. Covaxin are discovered in India. Covishield is discovered in England, Oxford. And Covaxin is an inactivated virus. Whether the COVID shield is a viral vector, and both of the vaccines are preserved at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and 28 days required to inject second dose in Covaxin, and 12 to 14 weeks required to inject second dose in COVID shield. Fifth, what are the advice to follow in home quarantine? Yes, in case we are affected with the COVID-19, medication are the thing we need to follow. I also have a personal experience with the COVID-19 and I will tell those medicines what I have took. Acitral 500 mg is an antibiotic medicine and Ivermectin 12 mg is an antiparasitic drug, and Zencovit, as we all know, Zencovit is a multivitamin tablet, and Selene 500 mg is a vitamin C tablet, and the Pan 400 mg is a acidity related tablet, I think so, and Cap Nimica 60k is a vitamin D tablet. Montet LC is an anti-allergic tablet, and Dolo 650 as we all know. Betadine gargle is a mouthwash used to kill germs, and this is a syrup used to treat dry cough. And second thing is steam inhalation. You want to take a steam at least 2 times a day. Steam is considered to be useful in damaging the capsid of SARS-CoV-2 envelope and preventing infection from COVID-19. So it is mandatory to take steam at least 2 times a day. And third thing is checking oxygen level. Normal oxygen saturation of blood is 95 to 100%. Check oxygen level 3 times a day using pulse oximeter. If you have any trouble or shortness of breathing, consult a doctor. Thanks for all doctors, nurses and working staffs who are all working with us in this pandemic situations. And make sure we united and we will fight back against COVID. As we fight back, we will definitely bounce back. Place your hand over your heart, feel that. That's called purpose. We are alive for a reason. Don't forget that and that responsibility. Be aware and make cover of this pandemic. Stay home, stay healthy. And one thing, always wear mask. Thank you, bye.